Hello there, Watcher. I hope I didn't offend, for isn't it that what we do? Watch, perceive, judge. Now that I know you, do you know me? Clue. I am you, and you are me. A boy, the all-seeing boy. I've been sent to Earth to observe the ways of man. In this case, woman, as they are said to be caring, nurturing, witty, and patient. So we will test that in the outdoors, where they will fend for themselves on rations and work together for 48 hours, all alone. But of course, we will be there watching, doing what we do ever so closely. We will spoil.
I don't know, Julian. Because when he was talking, it's not like him said, "Oh, there is the wood or whatever." But just hear him talk. He never give me the directive. We just hear him talk.
Are we supposed to bring some of the wood down from the top?
No, man. Oh wow. I let him in there.
Yeah, it's smell.
Remember getting the laugh out of it? Some better laugh. Vanilla, get up. Right now, we even.
Let's give it 10.
So double 10 first.
Alright, so what's the process?
Vanilla, it's over here. So feel the ground first. In a sharp object. I don't want it to. What is it? No, what is it?
make sure you remember to serve you. So let's sleep on Saturday.
Alright, so these are long ones first.
So you attach everything.
This is a little, yeah.
Supposed to push in this one.
Put it in the
First or second?
first one.
The big one or
First to the back. I think. As a matter of fact, put in the two of them. Huh? I'll put in the two of them before you finish.
that's a long
This
one.
is a long one? No, I think the other one.
So
But I believe
when you put the stakes down in the sand so the things stay down. And you tell me so you do this already, you know, so
this
give me this yellow stuff. Come right in here so we can.
this supposed to come up.
Oh,
But this one pushing the pushing
oh,
man
the
already.
pushing man already. So you tie this, I'm gonna assume that you tie this.
You can tell.
Okay? Oh, the machete will not do it.
You roll it in and then you close it.
This one, no? No?
So you're gonna have sand everywhere you sit them. So you see like this? This for actually get this must go through.
So take it out now with the habit, you know? Oh, okay.
Must go through like this.
farm, I see the wood them over there. Come on. You want to put the bigger one right there, sir?
Really? Because the back. Yeah, just need more food.
On your side.
Let's drop it.
Get up on your side. How much more? One for yourself.
I know yesterday. The string them are really this. So that must have one. Eh?
You need that?
Yeah, them part of it. So one to go through here. One must go through here. The one they're not supposed to have nothing.
This?
At the back. Yes, anyway.
Oh, girl. The hardest one is now.
Let's stick to it.
Come on, come back up.
So the rocks now to go there.
Like a blow. Oh, see, like this.
Yeah.
You see where we come from? Let me lift up my head. Disassemble and disassemble, assemble, assembly. That's all. But this is a disassemble, so not disassemble. I'm not going to say that way. Disassemble is to take down. Yeah, put up. Higher.
Alright, so we probably should also change. I think I remember to probably just tie it like this. I think
What that do?
so. Just to kind of, so like you put it through that so that the string can hold it down. So come through something on my tongue. Here. make it go. Oh, yeah.
Me your body can't hold this. I want to, when the masher's going there, whatever you call it.
Nice. You run extra.
One more rock.
They can bring. Yeah. So tired of the first part of the challenge. Anyway, I like how that we are sleep.
Alright, you know what I do? We need to start cook.
Yeah, but you know what? When night comes, you can't.
Yeah, I know. So we just go do the mashes now and then. So may I clean up the chicken foot? I only brought the I brought the blanket. I'll tell you. May I clean up the chicken foot?
Alright, yeah. You keep clean chicken.
No man, you know you accept that picky.
But I can't. You can't. You can't set up to me there.
Oh,
Let me not see.
okay. Alright.
Pass them on season. Pass the generator, but this one, please.
Generator is what?
The power.
This? Oh. But the sun up in our bed is not enough.
We're not going there. We just roll it out. Alright, turn this. you have to hold it down? Yeah, it's a good take time, man. Oh, see how it is. So just put it one side now. It's set from the summer feet, inflate.
It was take so long, Sarah?
Yeah?
It must take so long?
Julie, you just turn on the sitting. Come, man.
It's supposed to go whoosh.
But remember, you're using a smaller power.
Oh, alright,
something.
now.
So just put it down, make it do
Make
its
it get
thing.
sand on it?
No, put it outside.
Give me that box
I'll put
there.
it from the box.
Thank you.
So that can go on. Can set back on. Now, you say the clean the chicken outside. So it only makes sense to start frying chicken. So when you clean it and clean it, yeah, just carry what we need. So. Eh? I guess you can create some more different.
Right. Right, listen.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
I just don't bring them one. Put heavy bottom.
Oh.
That's
Alright, so we're gonna put the wood them in here, and then now we can use this for
the wall.
like
Get some
balance.
stones. Cut the
That
stones
too.
and then do it.
You can get that too.
Put the stones, put the wood, keep the area open like what we did last time.
But like out here windy, you want create one.
Try to find an area where the sun now go slope like. It's alright, that's all.
Eh?
Just look at the sun and go keeping it.
It's gonna be right here, so
Yeah.
Macko. Come in here. Come in.
So you need to just kind of, yeah. Turn this, turn on the kind of, yeah. Let me get it one.
You need to the shovel?
Sarah, you know, say never turn on the sun properly. That's what I'm saying. The sun spin all the way around.
Oh.
Honey, sorry, Mama. Oh, yeah, that looks good. You know that, right?
I said get the coconut crush or something.
Yeah. But I'm looking for one of them. Can't hear her.
What's it? Jay. No, sir. I guess it's in, but
Pull on the file like I seen with the last time. Especially see that we can't find the fast starter. So what do we do now?
pick up and back. Vanilla, vanilla. Come here, little girl. Watch her. You think them that can burn and whole burn?
Them coming out hold it, but them can burn.
You know, as soon as I cut up the seedless here and put it underneath as much as all it up here. No, the trash here.
Sure.
Yeah, that I go.
But we don't
help
think
you,
it,
no.
we don't think this putting it there gonna help you either.
It will help more than the little.
Alright, Mama. Still your way.
It's not on my way. It's just
We
what.
try your way, your
It's
suggestion.
what seems like it makes more sense.
Well,
you know.
Alright. Are you ready for light? You! Right, lighty?
This is supposed to. Oh, put a bush here. Sit there over there, so in the crevice. In the crevice right there. So.
All this done. All this mind the bottom.
Roll it up and put it on the top.
God, please let the fire like don't break you.
I think.
Let them to catch first. And then we do this.
And your light underneath.
I'll try and see. Yeah, let me see.
Can I put something? What? There's the one at the front. Jay, the one at the front, right? That one. Yeah. Yeah, we just have to test the pot on it. Cause alright, so we're going to first, right? Yeah. Which part we're doing right? Which part we're doing right now? This, right? Yeah. So this is alright.
Yeah, put the rice first and measure the rice. You put in the rice first, you put in the one on
So you can't just give us a judgment. You have to hurry up because to the fire. Hurry up, man. So. Coming on the
What
fire.
fire? Waste? I can't waste.
And I say weird, but yeah. Come to the move, we look up, speed now.
No, you want to move with speed. No.
Hurry up,
Understand?
man.
No,
Hurry up.
Irving. I understand, yeah, move
Alright,
with speed.
alright,
You need to
alright.
rush off that man. Something how you want.
Well, no, just enough for the both of us. Come give me some more water, please. Julie, more water. Come on.
salt, pepper. Okay. I know. Some of them use gas stove and use.
What I'm gonna do? See if you can. Come here.
No, center. It's wood. Nine. Careful. So, try now.
Maybe this too something then.
Nine.
Ooh, watch your fire.
Yeah. You're pushing that. Push it on that. Right? The salt on the bottom. Okay. Let's never do this.
Does it look like it's out?
No, look out. Look out.
It just looks,
Look out.
it looks smoky. So I just want to know.
There is smoke. There is fire.
Yeah, I just want to know if the fire hot enough.
We forgot to say that. Gotta put it. Down in that. Then it's late, but.
Maybe we need to put more trash or something. I'm gonna do the lights. I'm gonna drop the weather so. Both. Supposed to be in the bag or the box. So it's like a level. A level. It's supposed to in on the box or something. Ooh. Did that work? Looks like it worked.
I wash your rice.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put it in our water.
Yeah, push it there, yes. Put it in your waist. How we can't afford for people. Exactly. Butter in the box.
It would have been a bit.
You want the butter? No, man, it's fine. It's in here. me a favor, Sarah. When you pour out this, pour out the garbage in another bag for me. Inside the garbage. You sure, Sarah? Yeah. No, 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 no. Yes, ma'am. Oh, listen. You want to take out? Yeah, yeah. Fire high. Ooh, nice though. Give me the pack of a pan. Hold it fine. You take a movie one?
Yeah, I'm
All right. And all purpose, yes, sir? All purpose too. Just a little bit. Never burn some in the oil. I'm not sure if I take it out of the box, but there's another one in there. Finally? Huh? No, not in there. Tips more. Alright.
there for testing.
That's all.
Yeah.
Sorry. What else gonna happen? That's what's happening. Let's crush it up with the hand. I'm gonna cut it off.
What is it? Just push up down there, so?
All of it. No separated. The magazine is nice that one car.
More for you too?
Yeah. Try.
Oh, yeah. I go for the other place.
Yeah. Sorry, pass the foil. You know, it needs to steam like more. Don't cook them. I don't want to burn up still.
So you want?
Now give 5 minutes. A little bit. You should never touch a hot pot like that.
Huh?
So better.
Yeah, get out.
Sometime.
Eh? You want to put back one of the something underneath it or no? Okay. I'm going to rinse this off and have it on standby.
Alright. Flames and fire! Burn the flames, celebrate the fire!
Say she wants a man. No, girl.
Julian! Julian! How much is the one?
No, ma'am. You're gonna bed later? You're gonna bed later? Eh? Is it?
I'm saying, I have a can.
Yes, it's not there.
No, you don't have
You
to.
could have just make it big.
I'm not gonna put it. May I say, you put up.
Oh. I think yes, so we're active. No. Passive.
Flames and
The
fire.
chicken tastes like I like it because if it needs more salt, it's like
This? No.
this would add the salt.
Fresh. You put salt in?
Mess it through the amount of seasonings and
Yeah.
salt that you don't.
Oh, that's not true. That's something I always do. Taste it and it tastes too fresh. Add salt and it tastes salt.
These are like I need the gravy, like you can
Yeah,
probably tip a
yeah.
little more. You know, I'm the time out here, so sometimes it's end. You know, so that's still a burn.
Yeah, but see, but that's a good thing though. What's up, that bush now where you find over there?
Oh no! It's like you just set it.
God said, alright, we're not gonna
It's like, don't worry, my child.
So I got you. I got you out. Don't worry yourself.
Hey, we can take on this survival thing, you know. I'll do one side, it's like one like say, we are weak faith.
push it on her? What you want me to do? Push it. Easy about it this time. No. Don't put that in there. Oh. Put some more sour. Just come high and then just like that. Well, Okay, sir. Sorry. Alright, fresh. You sure you put salt in it? It's fresh back. Did you put salt in this dish? Sarah, you had one job. Sarah, you had one job. Did you put salt in it? Oh, so let me taste this again. Yeah, that makes no sense. No, I'm fighting.
No put salt in there.
Like when? Which part you still put the salt?
All that tea.
What? You had one job, my girl.
Come on.
You put the salt. No, look here now. One job. We gave you one job to do. I'd like the salt. Alright.
Now what else should I put in
Never
there?
find out water, don't worry yourself. Sorry, no, I should never put it
No
on
put salt in there for true. I just how you do it. How you do it, my love. Come on, sis. You might have one.
Ah. I don't know. Press it fresh. You taste it first. I'm not trust you. Probably I forgot to put that.
You don't like sweetener,
Yeah,
salty
I know,
things.
I know.
Use that.
Oh, did I give it here? Yeah, try to give it. It's from one extreme to the other. You say enough for throw salt, rub it out.
Why?
Instruction. Oh, let's taste this. I'm not putting myself tonight. I don't know. I do. I'll taste it. No, it tastes like it's too salt. Murder.
Yeah.
Too salt?
Yeah.
I don't know. Water. Put some water.
I suggest you.
I put some sugar and some water.
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some more water. I'm gonna add a little sugar. I'm cooking on the gravy. I'm telling you.
I suggest you add
Water.
water.
Yeah.
Something there.
What?
So we never see
More.
it.
You know, when we have to put more on this cook, semi-cook, you see, they're not cook it. You have to cook some more. When it pretty much cook, you put the
Tomorrow
seasoning
before we
in.
leave.
And not my fault. Speak to yourself about that.
How is it my fault?
Oh, your fault.
How is it my
You call
fault?
me pack up and you never pack.
So what am I doing out there,
You
sir?
can't start without you. Can we start without you? That not me. Alright, that's my fault. I'm gonna take that.
Never say
Bring it in water.
And honestly. Okay.
No,
Alright.
put your eye out for me. My look up it.
So you want me to tuck up the bottle?
No, but you have to put your eye. We have to put your eye for.
What am I cut my eye?
Put your eye.
Jesus.
That's a water.
You know
But I
what?
don't think you're from them.
Me?
Can
Can never do I wish it would work. I can never do any wrong. Right?
That's not true.
Well, I mean, you just made a statement. And other statements have been made before.
Now you're already. It's not that serious. Chill.
Clearly.
Let's pour the water. You get miserable.
I cannot pour the water, Judy.
We don't want it overly.
But she was telling her to finish her cooking.
No, I thought you can put a gun on that one. Oh, like you need a pressure cooker to rot it. It's so hard.
I never thought that when she pushed her
No, I'm just kidding actually. I don't recall that either. But I have not cooked this in a very long time. Worst pan I would
So
say.
when you do that way,
Oh,
that way I do.
yeah, try to break it once at least it cook quicker.
Eh?
It cook quicker. Then normally my mother do that. Break it in half. It's like yeah. But that's what I grow fancy. What was it giveaway?
So just put it on her.
I always feel like it's
I remember saying the rice over the sauce, so no, she did this first, you know. And do the rice first.
at least we know to the right out of the way, sir.
At least you know to the rice
The
over.
right out of the way. We should have been cooking forever. So if push comes to shove, we shall have rice and butter for dinner. But bless it, Pastor. Thank you, Jesus.
Like it's joke.
A small mercy.
That means, there you go.
Right now. Come on, chicken foot. We are.
Oh, it's sweet.
Feel like it need. Let me have to go for it. We're at it. But it's so funny when you cook soup and you boil
You think
chicken
it need
foot.
more fry?
I don't think so. But it's a boil. Don't take the fire. It's a much more this. I don't take the fire is a problem, girl. But just think, say, then chicken foot your top. I'm gonna taste it. I add the season first before we taste it. I determine what it needs. Should I? They'll come together now, but that's how it go. Now I'm gonna do what I said for do now. Me say now I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cook. Cook down all these things. It's coming together. I'm gonna put the pepper in there. Put the pepper in there. Cut the way now. I could put the broad beans in there, but you didn't know Jamaica.
Barbie in there too?
No, I'm not gonna put the broad beans in there. I'm not putting the
genuinely
ragu.
want
No,
to, you can put it in there.
no, it's not tripe beans. It's chicken.
Oh, so now it's not check please. You wanted it earlier. You want to, you can.
I'm going to take one shame of
It's not a shame, but just a say. I would normally eat.
Oh, you don't know how it was?
No, that's what I say.
So I'm not normally do it. Okay.
It just sounds weird.
Let's try some beans. But I'm not gonna do it like that because that's something else.
So I'm saying if you want to, you can. Yes. But I said, something would happen.
Yeah, well, one of the other things. Routine comes. It's a little bit more sour. So you can manage it. And we just want to make sure so all of the chicken foot them cook. Some of them don't feel. We never know if chicken foot get long cook, but the smell there some. Not so much. That's why I didn't never want to put the seasoning in it. You see? Some of you see the difference? But them look like them
Yeah, that one.
that one here?
Yeah.
Look.
No.
Yeah, me see it. And that one here too. Oh god, you see, I feel like it done the road. I'll make sure that I'm covered. I'd like to enjoy my dinner today. All that hard work. I know, right? I'm gonna cover it and then that cover it starts and then make it heat another. What time is it? Well, I don't know. Should I? Yeah. Oh, water.
But the heat, I don't know.
You should be good, Sarah. So don't put it back on the fire.
No.
Put water there. Put water.
You do want? Wait there?
You have some water in.
Wait, so it'll get gravy cooked my rice.
Yeah, but you want the gravy, but you don't want it to look like lily water. Long
This
water.
one look like what leather water?
Like long water too. That's human. That's human. I just, in my head, I just feel like the heat bring back the flavors together. I know sorrow. Girl, we're going to make cheap rice is a hell of a thing. Nice and nice. Here's the cheapest. So I can taste the cheapness from it.
The cheapness.
Cheap, mix the mixing.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll buy it. How simple. No, that good rice. No, like jasmine rice. Or if I buy regular rice, normally I don't buy bag out rice. No, I don't buy it. The actual I don't buy like rice or something. Yeah, this is my last course. I'll go to the summer. No, it's the whole chicken produce. No, that's how chicken produce. It's a hot dog. That's how chicken. a box roast.
Box roast?
I'm sure. Let's see. Anything now. I'm hungry. No problem. Oh, okay, sorry. That's good. Oh, see here. Ang masunggi sa mga naman.
I wonder what fiddles your mind, watcher. Will woman find comfort showering by sea? Or will nightfall get the best of her? We can know